contents and not seeing the views can be annoying, it can be frustrating, and it can be discouraging, especially here on YouTube. But not to worry, in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to post and fix things the right way in order to avoid little or no view. But before I continue, if you are seeing this page for the first time, hello, my name is Sylvia Chimdima, and you are welcome to the Mass World. Please come forward and let's dive into the main topic. Things you should do in order for you to start getting more views on YouTube. And number one is YouTube account verification. This is because YouTube wants to know if actually that account is owned by a human being or a robot. Because you don't expect YouTube to push out a video that is being uploaded on a channel that has not yet been verified. You don't expect them to do that. So please, it's always important for you to go ahead and verify your accounts.
So guys, to verify your account, head over to your Chrome browser and type youtube.com/verify. Wait patiently and allow it to load. Once it loads, it's going to bring us a green tick which shows your account is verified. If your account is not verified, just go ahead and verify your account. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to verify your account.
Is how you upload your videos. Don't publish your videos immediately after upload. Allow YouTube to take their time and assess that particular video, so that they can be able to know which people that video is going to. I don't know if you're understanding. Maybe you made a video on how to get more views on YouTube. You can schedule that particular video for at least 24 hours. And when you do that, that gives YouTube time for them to assess, to run through that particular video and know, yes, this video should go to people that are trying to grow on YouTube. The third thing you should know is don't create an account and use it immediately to open a channel. It is very wrong. YouTube will think that that particular channel is a bot account trying to scam people, and thereby any video that is being uploaded in that channel, they are not going to promote it. They are not going to push it further for people to see. So for best results, you can create a YouTube channel account, use it to watch videos for at least weeks or even months before going ahead to create your own channel. Doing so will help YouTube to know, yes, this account has been in existence. Then, after doing so, once you start uploading your videos, they can be able to push that your videos to more audience for them to watch. So please don't create an account and start using it immediately to create a channel or even start uploading immediately. It is very wrong. The first thing you should know is don't upload a video with watermarks. Yes, you heard me. Don't upload a video with watermarks, because YouTube, they are not going to promote that particular video. Maybe you went to TikTok, you went to Instagram, downloaded videos there, and you know, once you download video from these two apps, their videos always come with watermark on it. Then you carry that particular video to YouTube and you upload it like that without even trying to remove their watermark. You don't expect them to promote someone else's video. So even if you want to download videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, there are ways you can do that, and the watermarks will not be there. If you want me to make a video on how you can download videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook without the watermarks, let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do the video. So please don't post a video that has watermark on it on your channel, on your YouTube channel. YouTube is not going to promote that particular video. Okay. But not the least is create good content. Create content that has value, so that when people click to watch, they can be able to watch that particular video from the beginning to the end, because it has something meaningful inside. And that is why they're clicking to watch. And not only clicking to watch, they can be able to watch from the beginning to the end. And this particular thing, this particular one I'm saying now is especially for small YouTubers that are still trying to grow. You have to try as much as possible to give out a valid information that has value, information that can be beneficial to your audience. Because big YouTubers today, even if they should make a video on where they are packing sand and post, people will watch. If they should make a video on where they are brushing their teeth, people will watch because they are already big. But you and I that are still trying to grow our channel, it is very important to make good content before publishing it out. Make a very good content before publishing it out. Don't just set up your camera and talk anything you like and publish and think that people are going to watch you. They are not going to watch you. They are still coming up. They are still trying to build your channel. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, and go down to the comment section to tell me you've done all of that. See you guys on my next video.